So ladies and gentlemen, right now we're here. And we're going to start this vlog like this again. Yeah, me have something for you. Hold on, mommy. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Me have something for you right there, some mommy. Me have to sit in there first for you. A good mama, you know. She just make you pit in there and eat first. Good mama. Mommy, me have something for you too. That's for you, mommy. You only no fighting enough there. Good thing you trust me, you know.
That's much like that?
Yeah. Me can make eat out of me and you know. She trusts me. Nah, tell her, man. A geesey girl. My grandchildren, them all of them. And they're beautiful. Everything alright, man, mommy. No worries, man. Enjoy on the surf, man. You want to go over there, sir? Or not really? Full on your belly, man. On your... Beautiful. Mommy, if you want, I can see something for you next day, you know. Now, eat all right today. They might come back again, man. I not give them all right right now. Now come back here. Alright, yeah, what get here, man, I know. So, vlog world, right about now, I'm there. And as you can see, different scenery. I need a haircut. And when it comes to haircut time, you don't even have to ask. Royal is in the building. Yeah. So, yo, my face shine. But I do have to, you know. A little walk from right, so come here, so me out. And even 3 minutes walk, even 2 minutes walk, me do little while and I may have sweat already. But me have one sunscreen, and that's one. Start with sunscreen now. So yeah, I won't forget a haircut right now, but you don't know how we do a thing different, so we have time lapse it. I'm not gonna see what I'm going. Magician is about to go to work. Chris Royal, we have to say to them. Do the work, I'll show the work. Right, so. People, who remember coal stove? Who remember coal stove? Chris, where you get coal stove from? No, Chris have a real coal stove. Real coal stove. You know, roast bread food. Oh. Alright, Chris have forward one day. And we're going to bring in coal stove and then I'll roast some bread food. Real and a stone. Real coal. So we are going to do that one day. We get some brush and we're going to deal with it. And roast some corn, we're going to roast fish, everything. So ladies and gentlemen,
Stop disrespecting me.
right
I'm
now,
actually record. I'm going to post it on down there.
we're right here, we here. And we over here again,
We here with it. Ah!
We here.
Period.
So, Candy, a vlog. For who don't know, make sure you go over to Candy channel. Tell them your channel right now.
It's I Candy.
Over here, somebody.
My bad. It's I Candy J. Period. Who?
Yes.
Yup.
Candy already have vlog on the channel already, so you don't have to wait. You can go straight over there and
Ooh.
maybe it
Ooh.
lopsided. Candy already have vlog on the page already, so you don't have to wait. You can just go over there right now and tune in and watch some vlog. And Candy I got Jamaica, so we're not gonna get whole heap of Jamaica vlog, whole heap of Jamaica vlog. So stay tuned, look out for that. Boy Dante left some vegan, some plant-based, what they call meatball in the fridge. And Dante gone up with you. So I am about to fry them. Oh yeah, it's what? Damn pot of smoke. The pot of smoke. Never go wait till that cool down now. Fish fry them, yeah. Yo, they smell like greens. They smell literally like green grass. Me make it hot, but too much. Now me have to wait till it cool down back.
You burning wood?
Hile. Are you turning up the fire?
No.
Yo, look like you want to sleep for real.
I am.
You gotta sleep and Candy with me.
Yo, me here. Boom.
Come on.
Me say, yeah, it have to be. I can't do only somebody here come beat on your door.
Then shoot there next time.
I feel threatened for my life. I don't like that.
Dear boy, you can't just run up in there. You know we got the
The
blicky.
door was open. He actually opened the door for me. Correction.
You will shoot and I sleep same way, you know. A sleep shooter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all gonna miss me?
Of course.
I'm gonna be going. It's just a month. That's it. Y'all meet me in Jamaica?
1 month. Candy I got Jamaica for 1 full month. Well, you have to go quarantine after still, so. So the meatballs them done, me know. Wife. Why me even say? Why me I call it meatballs? The meat circle them done. The plant-based circle them done. I don't know if I show them like while in case nobody interested in buying any. This is it. You see it look good over here, so? Mine not look so good. Penny paper. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how it look. Now, you fry up. See how it look here. More and tasty because I never consume this before. Me make sure I fry them up good. So me know say them. Yeah man, they taste good. Me not like to know. Them is a little bit salt. Them taste so good. Yo, right now be people like a roast my beard and so my beard stay so. I make comb it out so. More while me no comb out my beard, none tal. Them taste so good, me have to enjoy them outside in the sun. I me make a little sauce. It never look too right, look while. And that's why I'm gonna put up the camera and show you what I'm going. Finger licking salt, yo. So ladies and gentlemen, quick update. Remember with I build a cage for the iguana. Remember with I build a cage for him, so it's finally done. No watch this. We just use this for now. We put it in bulb. We have this. Chabasa put in the sawdust them now and them something there. What we are gonna do is we are gonna take out the iguana out of this and transfer him to that. But Chabasa gonna get some next Tegu. We're gonna put in the one here. I'm gonna get a Tegu and put him in a tank we have upstairs, but me eat lizard, I don't like them. And I know something me personally can touch. and then me. So me get some fish. Well, me not get some fish. Me I go call the fish. No, but the man can't wire me right now. Nobody can wire me. Fish is fish. Me not calling a swim around. Fish. Me go get some fish and fling in at the tank. But me go home before today and we do all of them stuff. And then we go pet supermarket I think. And we get some things. So me go build an aquarium. By next week or a couple of days, me I put fish in at the tank. So after this, me I go upstairs go set it up. So yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, look at something I go on now. You know what I mean? Travis put in the water. Then you have a nice bowl of water. We use the camera stand, catch it up.
Yes, man, it's a go on.
You go take it out, no?
No, man, I take out some of them somewhere. Little. Kind of like the Tegu can climb.
It's magnificent, people. It's beautiful. I'm having like a hammock right there. You can come build at daytime. Just chill out. So we just make a transfer. I mean, let's zoom in and see. A view of William back later when him get to come more comfy, you know. Light on and everything, I throw out a bright now, I couldn't see it so. But yeah.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.